Hey, Jarrah, how's it going?
Hey Joe, what are you doing here?
I'm here to ask you a couple of questions.
Great, bring it on.
Let's go. All right, what do you do?
I'm the maintenance operations manager for the light rail here on the Gold Coast, with the main focus on delivering safe and reliable vehicles for the public.
Awesome. So what areas do you oversee?
Being a smaller depot here, we oversee a fair few functions from procurement, engineering, warehousing, planning day-to-day, and customer relations.
Okay, I heard you previously had a fly-in, fly-out role. Is that right?
Correct, I've worked fly in, fly out across Australia in WA, Northern Territory, and here in Queensland.
And have you also done some commercial work?
Yes, throughout Brisbane and Cairns.
Okay, so how does working in rail compare to those?
The main difference is the work-home life balance. I get to be home every night enjoying my friends and family, and the complexity of the work itself and what each day brings.
Fantastic. We're here on the beautiful Gold Coast. Do you get to make the most of it?
Every day I get to enjoy the surf, the sun, the water, the valley, and all the creeks.
It's incredible. You started on the shop floor as an electrician. Does that experience inform how you approach leadership now?
Of course, it gives me a great understanding of how the shop floor works, the mentality of the workers, and how to get the best out of everyone involved.
Awesome. What are some of the things that motivate you?
Motivation changes, but mainly to enjoy my life, my work life, and just be happy throughout.
Okay. And what do you think makes a great team culture?
I think a great team culture comes down to caring for one another, being open, good communication, and accountability, along with just ensuring you're doing the best by the person and workmate next to you.
That's nice. If you could travel through time, what would you say to electrical apprentice Jarrah?
I think I would say just trust in the process, believe in yourself, work hard. You're not going to get everything first go, and doors will open if you're just yourself and work hard.
Awesome. Well, that's our last question. Thanks, Jarrah.
Thanks for coming.
Catch you around.
See you later.